Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn off two-factor authentication for Facebook Business Manager. To begin, open Facebook in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Since two-factor authentication settings are tied to the profile connected to your business tools, it's important to verify you're using the right Facebook login before making any changes. Once you're on Facebook, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account icon. This will open the main account menu where you can access your privacy, security, and account settings. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section groups together the more important account controls, including the path to your security settings. After that expands, click on Settings to open the full settings page. When the settings page loads, look for Account Center and click on it. Account Center is where Facebook manages connected account settings such as passwords, security preferences, and login options across meta services. This is the area you'll use to manage two-factor authentication. Inside Account Center, click on Password and Security. This section contains the core login and protection settings for your account, including password updates, login alerts, and authentication methods. Next, select Two-Factor Authentication. This will take you to the page where Facebook shows which account profiles have two-factor authentication enabled and how it is currently set up. On that screen, choose the account you want to manage. If you see a profile name listed, select that account to continue. Make sure you're clicking the correct profile, especially if more than one account appears in Account Center. After selecting the account, follow the on-screen procedure. Facebook may ask you to confirm your identity before allowing security changes. For example, you may need to enter your password or complete a verification prompt. Simply continue through the instructions shown on your screen until the option to disable two-factor authentication becomes available. Once you've completed the verification steps, click Turn Off. This will disable two-factor authentication for the selected account. As a final note, turning off two-factor authentication can make account access faster, but it also reduces account security. If this account is connected to Facebook Business Manager, be especially careful and make sure you still have a strong password in place. After the setting is updated, you may want to double-check that the change has been saved successfully before leaving the page. That's it. You've now gone through the process of turning off two-factor authentication for your Facebook Business Manager related account.